Hey guys, it's your girl Shala, Promostk, Shala's Creations Way, and Promostk, eating good in the neighborhood. And y'all asked for it. Oh yes. So I made a beef and chicken pasta soup, and we got some good old Italian bread toasted up, to go with it. So come on, grab your spoons, and let's get into this recipe. These are your ingredients. Oh, yeah. All right, you guys. So these are your ingredients. We got some chuck chicken breast. We have some spaghetti mixture that was left over that we're gonna have with our meat sauce. Got those seasonings that we're gonna be adding, and we got some mixed vegetables. We have some peas and carrots and some chopped onions. So just follow along on this quick and easy recipe. Beef and chicken pasta soup. We're going to take and boil our pasta noodles per the instructions. And these are some pasta shells, Italia. And now we're going to go ahead and start our sauce for our soup. We got diced tomatoes. See that pot's already hot? That steam's popping out of there already. We're going to put some water in that sauce can because we want to utilize all of our sauce and broth to make up our good old soup mixture. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our chunk chicken breast in the can. And we're going to use all of it. The broth that was in there. If you guys want to use rotisserie chicken, you can do that as well. This is just a quick and easy way for stuff that you have in your pantry already to go ahead and make you a good old hearty soup. Now what we have here, as y'all saw in a previous video where we had lasagna, well, I had meat sauce left over and I froze it. So what I'm going to do with this meat sauce is we're going to put this ground beef meat sauce in with our, stewed tomatoes and our chicken. So now we're just taking, give it a few stirs. Oh yeah, because we want that frozen meat to get incorporated with that good old tomatoes and that chicken, and with that chicken broth. Now we're going to add the seasonings, and we'll add about a teaspoon of each one of the seasonings only because our meat is already seasoned. And then you can always add extras for taste if you like. And now that we've added all of our seasonings, we're going to put in our sweet peas and carrots, our frozen sweet peas and carrots. Each bag is 12 ounces. We're going to use both bags, all 12 ounces. The next bag we'll put in will be the frozen vegetables. And again, we're going to use both bags, 12 ounces each. And now we're going to add about a cup of diced onion. So that bag is equivalent to 2 medium-sized onions. So we're going to add just a little under a half of cup of onion. Okay, now we're just going to stir everything around. Okay, so now I'm going to put my infamous saran wrap and I'm going to seal it. I have currently on high. Once it starts coming to a slight simmer boil, I'm going to turn it down to medium and I'm going to just let it simmer until all the veggies get good and tender. Oh yeah. It's done, you guys. We're gonna take that saran wrap off. We're gonna give it some stirs. Oh yeah. We already have our noodles that's been boiled, waiting to go inside. And it looks like this is the consistency you want it before you add those noodles, because you know the noodles will go in and you're gonna do your noodles al dente. So you don't want to have your noodles mushy. So now we're going to go ahead and put our noodles in with our good old sauce that we have with our soup. And we did leave a little bit of pasta water in there. I mean, just a little, probably about a quarter cup of pasta water. It just helps the stew to adhere to the pasta, and all that rich broth from the soup is going to be in those noodles. So we're going to let our pot now simmer for about another 15 minutes. And while it's doing that, we're going to go ahead and get our bread, which is our Italian bread. Y'all saw that crusty Italian bread. And you'll see what we're going to do with that in just a few. But yeah, we're just going to keep stirring this around to make sure those noodles get in that sauce. Yeah, look at that. You guys wanted soup? You got some beef and chicken, pasta, soup. Oh yeah, made Sheila's Creations way. Can't wait to eat this. Now, am I making you guys hungry? Look at that soup. Look how hearty that soup is. Is that the way you guys like your soup? It is smelling so good. I wish you guys could have a good big old bowl full of all this goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Some good old veggies. You got 2 meats in there. You got your pasta. Oh yeah. Yum, yum, good. All right, so we're just gonna sit the soup over and let it be on low on the smaller eye while we get the skillet ready for our bread. We're going to take some extra virgin olive oil and pour over in our skillet. And we're going to get that bread, and we are going to lay that bread in that skillet with that extra virgin olive oil. And this is the bread we're going to be using. It's that Italian bread that you guys saw us eat with our meat loaf grilled cheese sandwiches. So if y'all didn't catch that video, y'all go check it out. But right now we're gonna lay this good old crusty bread in that extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna let it brown up and crust up on both sides. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna add some margarine, or you can add butter, and just let it get crusty in the skillet. And wow, look at that golden, crusty color on that Italian bread. Look at that, look at that. That is some goodness right there. And it's going to be soaked up with that good old soup, you guys. Oh my goodness. If you guys haven't heard of this crusty bread, you guys need to try it out. It's awesome. And it is soup ready. Oh yes. So y'all, go to my cooking channel, Promostk, Sheila's Creations Way, and try it out. And watch us mukbang this thing at Promostk, eating good in the neighborhood. Oh, look at that bread. I hope you guys are ready for this deliciousness, because this soup is the best soup that you probably have ever had. So if you need more instructions on how I did it, hey, go back and look at this video, hit the rewind, and start it over again. Now we're putting it back on the big eye, because we're ready to get this party started with this soup that you guys requested. Oh yeah, made Sheila's Creations Way. Look at that soup. Look at that pot of goodness. Wow. We are excited. This is the first soup of the week. It is beef and chicken vegetable pasta soup. Oh yeah. I hope you guys are ready. We're waiting for you. Come on and join us. Oh yeah. Join us at the table. Promostk, eating good in the neighborhood. And don't forget, while you're doing it, join us on the WOW app. Look at my description box below and subscribe to our channel. Oh